Okay, I am going to start with the very first power. I to the power 1. It is nothing but I, and the value of that is square root of negative 1. Then I square is negative 1. Now I cube, I raised to third power. So I cube, can I write it as I square times I?
Yeah.
Okay, and I square is negative 1, and that times I is negative I.
Yeah.
Then let's do I4. Can I write I4 as I square times I square?
Yeah.
So I square was negative 1 times negative 1, we get a positive 1. Okay, now see, now here things will become interesting. I raised to 5.
Yeah.
Can I write? Yes.
It's the
Yes.
same as I to the first power. It's square root of negative 1 because it's I to the fourth times I, just I. So it's 1 times square root of negative 1. So it's just negative 1, square root of negative 1.
Yeah, so basically it equals I.
Yeah.
Then I6 can be written as I4 times I squared. So I4 was 1 and I squared was negative 1. So again we are getting negative 1. Then I7 can be written as I raised to 4 times I raised to 3. I4 was 1, and so you see I4 will always remain 1, right?
Yeah. So if you can get if you can get like I4 out of I to the power of anything, then you can basically just multiply that by 1.
Exactly. Then I8, I4 times I4, that will be 1 times 1 again, 1. So
Yeah.
you see,
Just
they will keep, yes, they will keep on repeating. So if we just talk about the general forms, if the power is a multiple of 4, then what will you get if the power is a multiple of 4? 4
1.
times k.
1.
Perfect. If the power is 4k plus 1, in this form, which was this case, I raised to 5,
Then you'll get I.
then we'll get I. And if we have I raised to 4k plus 2,
Then you'll
that's how
get
this.
negative 1.
Then I raised to 4k plus 3, we'll get negative I.
Negative.
And here k can be any integer.